You use Windows 11 every day. But what if I told you that some of its most useful features are hidden in plain sight? Features that can save time, boost productivity, and make your PC feel completely different? Yet millions of users have no idea they exist. Today, we're uncovering the secret side of Windows 11. Windows 11 looks simple on the surface, but beneath its clean design are dozens of powerful tools quietly waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a student, professional, gamer, or casual user, these hidden features can completely change how you use your computer. Let's start with one that most people accidentally discover. Did you know Windows 11 has a hidden power user menu? Simply right-click the Start button, or press Windows key plus X. Instantly, you'll get access to Device Manager, Disk Management, Task Manager, Terminal, and more. Instead of digging through settings, everything important is just one click away. How many times have you copied something, then accidentally copied something else and lost it? Windows 11 solved this problem years ago. Press Windows key plus V. Instead of seeing only your last copied item, you'll see an entire history of copied text, links, and images. For anyone working with documents, emails, or social media, this feature is a game changer. Imagine having separate computers for work, gaming, and personal life without buying extra hardware. That's exactly what virtual desktops do. Click the Task View button or press Windows plus Tab. Create multiple desktops and switch between them instantly. One for work, one for school, one for entertainment. Everything stays organized and distraction-free. Typing can be slow. Speaking is often much faster. Windows 11 includes a built-in voice typing tool that many users never notice. Press Windows key plus H. Start talking, and Windows converts your speech into text almost instantly. Perfect for emails, notes, reports, and brainstorming ideas. One of Windows 11's smartest hidden features is Snap Layouts. Hover your mouse over the Maximize button. You'll instantly see multiple window arrangements. Split your screen into 2, 3, or even 4 sections without manually resizing windows. For multitasking, it's one of the biggest productivity upgrades Microsoft has ever added. Here's a bonus feature. Press Windows key plus period. A hidden emoji, GIF, and symbol panel appears instantly. Small feature, huge convenience. And that's the fascinating thing about Windows 11. Some of its best tools aren't hidden behind downloads or expensive software. They're already installed on your computer. You just need to know where to look. Which hidden Windows feature surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you discovered something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech secrets and productivity tips.